Good afternoon, children. In my last class, I was explaining you about the decomposition reactions. I have told you about the one type that was known by the thermal decomposition. Today I will discuss electrolytic decomposition. The electrolytic decomposition is done by passing electricity. For example, water, it will be decomposed by passing electricity. There will be formation of hydrogen and oxygen. For doing this experiment, a plastic mug is taken. The two holes are made at the bottom and there has been put rubber stopper in the holes, and then there has been placed two electrodes made up of graphite, and these holes are closed by using adhesive. The two granulated test tube has been taken. In these test tubes, water is filled and a small amount of sulfuric acid is added to increase the conductivity, and these are inverted over that of a graphite rods. Then one of them is connected to the positive terminal of battery, other is connected to the negative terminals of the battery. They will act as a cathode and anode. The 6-volt battery has been taken and there is a switch that has been put. Now the switch has been on, so there will be the formation of bubbles in both the test tube. When there will be formation of bubbles in both the test tube, there will be the water will be displaced down and the tube will be completely filled with that of a bubbles. These bubbles are of hydrogen and oxygen gas. The amount of hydrogen is double to that of a amount of oxygen. The amount of hydrogen is double to that of a oxygen, as it can be seen from this reaction. Now we can very easily test which test tube contain hydrogen and which test tube contain oxygen. A burning candle is brought near the tubes. The tubes has been taken out by putting the thumb downward. If we will bring one burning candle near the test tube which is containing oxygen, that will start burning very fast, and the test tube which is containing hydrogen, there will be formation of popping sound, and that will be extinguished after some time. So this is known by the name of electrolytic decomposition, where the decomposition is done by passing electricity. Now there is a next process that is known by the name of photolytic decomposition. That is called photolytic decomposition. Photo means light. When the decomposition is done in the presence of sunlight, then this is called photolytic decomposition. Silver chloride is being taken in a dish, and the sunlight is fall on this white silver chloride. After some time, what you will see that this white silver chloride has been turned into grey colored silver. The decomposition will be 2Ag plus Cl2. So the decomposition of silver chloride has been taken place. There will be formation of silver and there will be the release of chlorine gas taking place. So this is known by the name of photolytic decomposition. Let me write one more reaction for the photolytic decomposition, that is the decomposition of silver bromide. There will be formation of silver and there will be formation of brown vapors of bromine. So this reaction is used in black and white photography. So in this manner we can do these decomposition reaction. Now I will tell you about more reaction that is known by the name of displacement and double displacement reaction.